In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the Pay Now button for QuickBooks. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right and click the small gear icon, choose Account and Settings, then open the Payments tab. If you see a Learn More or Sign Up option, that means QuickBooks Payments isn't active yet. Click through and complete the sign up. During setup, be sure to enable both credit card payments and bank transfer, also known as ACH. This is important because the Pay Now button only appears when your payments account is approved and at least one online payment method is turned on. Approval can take a little time, so don't worry if you don't see the button immediately. After activation, refresh your browser to make sure the new options load. Next, create an invoice that allows online payments. Click the plus new button and select invoice. Pick your customer, then look for the online payment options on the invoice form. Make sure accept credit cards and accept ACH are checked. Offering both gives your customer a choice, and ACH often comes with lower fees. Review the invoice date, due date, and line items so everything is accurate. When you're ready, click Save and Send. Your customer will receive an email with the invoice and a clear Pay Now option, letting them pay instantly by card or bank transfer. If you want to preview it, send a test invoice to yourself to see exactly what your customers will experience. If the Pay Now button still doesn't show up, check the template you're using. Click the gear icon again and select Custom Form Styles. Find the invoice template that's set as your default and click Edit. In the template settings, confirm that online payment options are enabled. Save your changes, then resend the invoice. Remember, some accounts have multiple templates, and if the default template doesn't have payments turned on, the button won't appear even if payments is active. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. The Pay Now button is tied to invoices that are emailed through QuickBooks because the email includes a secure link to the hosted invoice page. If you download a PDF and send it manually, the button may not be available. Also, the Pay Now option only shows on invoices where those payment boxes are checked, so it can differ from one invoice to another. Follow these steps, and your customers will see the Pay Now button right away, making it faster and easier for them to pay you.